Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a STC 5G router. This router is broken charging port. So guys, I open from side and remove the screw and this plastic and also the back side. After that you have to open this, and now you can see the broken charging socket. So I will be replace this charging socket. So first of all you have to remove the all screw here inside. Okay, so I will remove all the screw. You need a star screwdriver to remove this screw. So guys, after remove the antenna, you have to remove this antenna also. You can see this antenna you have to remove. Okay, and here is the so you have to remove this light. So guys, open this antenna and I have to open here. You can see remove this LED connection and remove here. So like this is okay. So I have to soldering to remove this broken part. Okay, so I need a solder iron to remove this broken part. First of all you have to remove this and clean first. So guys, I have to remove the broken part and clean the charging port. So now I have a charging socket here. Okay, so now I will transfer this in the new place. So you can find like this charging port available in the Amazon or AliExpress. Okay, now I have to put here. So I soldering. So almost done. Now I will check, or I can soldering little bit from outside. Okay, I have to check now and just use this light because if working, turn on the light. So here is the charging socket. I hope it's working. You can see now it's working. So now I will return back everything. Okay, how can you return back? First of all you have to return back this and pull the antenna connection and return this one and remove all the screw here. So you have to return all the screw back. So this way you can fix any router is broken, or you can make the direct for the charging socket. You will cut the wire and put here is first one is positive and another one is negative. Positive, this white line is positive, this one negative. Now return back this antenna. Okay, and return back this antenna in the downside. Okay, now I return back inside the box and this router is working perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification, and